Hi and welcome. Now I will share with you how I work as architect on concept creation for family home. I have requirements from my clients, what they want to have in their family home. So let's dive into the concept. We are preparing the one-story flat bungalow for example, 300 square meters. We have a special plot. The size and the shapes are not maybe ideal, but we will try to do the best we can do in this home.
So this is the border of the property. Here is a street. Here is our neighbor, and the second neighbor is somewhere here. So the north is that way, and we have also some area where we can put the building, some borders from the neighbors. Like here is 2 meters and here is more. I just collect the information from local architect, so we are following the local urban plan. Okay, we need some space from the street, I think 6 meters at least, to put inside the car and also to close the gate so the car can be parked in front of our home. So when I first start to design the home, I just need to know the sizes. So for example, the size of garage, the size of entrance, etc. Then I start with thinking about the concept. We are creating the special layout. We don't have too much space, so we were speaking about some shapes. And for example, this can be one part of the home, and for example, this one can be another part of the home. We are trying to find some special shapes, etc. This bungalow, I want to make as shiny as it is possible here. So the customers previously wanted to have the L-shaped house, but if you can imagine the windows on this facade, the interaction is too big. If I compare this with another shape of the house, for example, this way. So if I have here windows, so the interaction is much more or less. You can have more convenient to look to the garden from this side, and I'm trying to avoid looking from room to another room. Okay, so that's the reason why I want to make bigger than only 90 degrees angle. So that's the reason that I want to follow this border and make this shape of the house. Also, we were speaking about the sizes, etc. So we can make this size of the property with higher ceilings, and another part of the property we can make with a lower roof. So the entrance, I think, is the best here from the street. You can see the entrance door. Here is space for garage for 2 cars and some storage. Also, they want to store the floors, so it's very important to make this storage accessible from the garage and also make some daylight, so make some windows to achieve the sunlight for the floors during the winter. From the entrance hall to this garage, we want to connect the entrance with the rest of the property. So I think that on the one side we can put 2 rooms according to the requirements. Somewhere close to the rooms, like bedrooms, we need to have bathroom, and also we need technical room, for example here. Close to the entrance, my clients, they have a requirement to have some restroom, so it's question if it should be or it can be here, this restroom, without any window to the exterior, or you can reshuffle later. So maybe one more idea was that close to the entrance hall we can put not technical room but wardrobe. So after entering the property from exterior or from garage, we can enter the wardrobe. I put here a very big chimney to connect this shape of the home with another shape and cross above the angle, which is not 90 degrees. So if we can continue, I recommend to put kitchen somewhere here with a nice big kitchen island. I recommend to put here something like wall to avoid the direct view from the entrance into the kitchen. and better to see, for example, the table, dining table. So we have enough space to put sofa with table, something like TV, some armchairs here. Another requirement was they want to have the special kitchen for preparation of the food. So we can put this special kitchen here, and the rest of the space can be the storage for flowers, and also they want to have the storage accessible from garage. So voila, we can make this storage here. We can connect the garage with working kitchen, and also the requirements are to connect this working kitchen with daily kitchen. So here we have some space. I want to continue with this line, and we have some space for storage. So here. And also the requirements are to have some nice apartment far away from these bedrooms on opposite side of the property. And if this is apartment, so this is 2 by 2 meter king size bed. From apartment we can access to the wardrobe and to the bathroom. Also this technical room, they want to make it accessible from exterior, so we can do the door here and make some more space for wardrobes. Bathroom, the requirements are to have only shower, toilet and some basin. In garden, they want to have some nice pool. We have nice place for this pool, and this is the first sketch of the layout. I will finish it with stronger drawings to make it much more clear, also for my colleagues so they can easily finish the first layout for consulting. And this is the chimney, kitchen, working kitchen, storage, space for flowers here. This is wall, this is garage wall, and now we have rough sketches. I draw walls, and later also I have to put maybe some columns. We will see later. Okay, so that's the first concept, and now we can finish the drawings. Also, it's very important to say that I create some exterior space here because we want to get into the property daylight. This is the only one space from the south, how we can bring some daylight into this interior. I hope you enjoy the work of architects, and see later how I finish this layout. Bye bye.